Hello friends, welcome to Honest Study. Today, in this lecture, let's see Thomson's model of atom under the lesson Structure of Atom. Thomson's model of atom. J.J. Thomson was the first scientist to propose a model for the structure of the atom. Thomson's model of atom was similar to a Christmas pudding. The electrons in a sphere of positive charge were like currants, that is dry fruits in a spherical Christmas pudding. It can also be compared to a watermelon in which the positive charge in an atom is spread all over like the red edible part, while the electrons studded in the positive charge sphere like the seeds in the watermelon. Here in this image you can clearly observe the structure of the Thomson's model of atom. It contained the positive sphere and the electrons are embedded inside the positive sphere. Postulates of Thomson's model of atom. Electrons are embedded in the sphere of positive charge. The negative and the positive are equal in magnitude. Therefore, the electron as a whole is electrically neutral. The mass of an atom is assumed to be uniformly distributed throughout the atom. Limitations of J.J. Thomson's model of atom. J.J. Thomson's model of atom could not explain the experimental results of other scientists such as Rutherford, as there is no nucleus in the atomic model proposed by J.J. Thomson. It could not explain the stability of an atom, that is, how positive and negative charges could remain so close together. Thank you friends. Like, share and subscribe Honest Study and join our Telegram channel.